nose designed to filter dust and debris in the harsh environments of Central Asia. You have probably never seen these ones before, maybe because they are hunted near extinction many times. Yeah, humans. These unique and beautiful animals truly look like they are from another planet, or maybe Star Wars. Meet Saigas, Mother Nature's super nose. Saigas are prehistoric survivors that roamed alongside woolly mammoths and saber-toothed cats during the Ice Age. They are one of the few species from that time that still exist today. This antelope has evolved to be perfectly adapted to its life in the steppe and semi-arid desert of Central Asia, spanning across Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. They live in some of the harshest land in the world, migrating long distances between summer and winter. Once roamed the steppes of Central Asia in vast nomadic herds, millions strong. Can you imagine? That would be a spectacle worth watching. But unfortunately, the truth is a bit sadder today. Saigas have been hunted near extinction many times. In the 19th century, extensive hunting for subsistence and trade. In the early 20th century, near extinction was halted by Soviet conservation, and post-Soviet collapse in the 1990s, poaching led to a catastrophic decline. Saigas are hunted for their meat and their horns, which are believed to have medicinal purposes. Despite all this, these animals are very resistant. This natural resilience and high reproductive rates, supported by well-directed conservation measures, have led to a recent recovery, but the species is still in grave danger. In Kazakhstan, populations have rebounded from approximately 39,000 individuals in 2005 to over 1.9 million by 2023. Perhaps it helps that the female saigas can reproduce at an incredibly young age, sometimes as early as 8 months old. This helps them recover quickly after population declines, though it's not always enough to counteract human impacts. Although the situation is better now, this uncontrolled hunting has led to a major problem. Saigas' vulnerability to disease. A result of their low genetic diversity, dense herding behavior, and environmental pressures, which have been intensified by centuries of hunting and habitat destruction. While they've shown remarkable resilience, ongoing conservation and disease management efforts are crucial for their survival. Yes, we need to be more careful as a collective. Appearance. Saiga antelopes are fascinating creatures with several unique and remarkable features that make them stand out in the animal kingdom. They really have a glorious nose. Their proboscis-like nose is entirely unique to the species, setting them apart from all other antelopes and most other mammals. It's a remarkable evolutionary adaptation for their dusty and extreme environment. It's big, it's bulbous, and it's a pretty nifty adaptation. It is swollen and hangs down over their mouth. The inside bones are complex and convoluted, and the nasal openings are lined with hairs, glands, and mucus tracts. Frigid air warms as it circulates through this enlarged nasal cavity. This mysterious muzzle helps saigas warm up winter air and filter out dust during the arid summer months. Not surprisingly, the saiga has a keen sense of smell. But look at these horns. They are truly something. Male saigas have translucent, ridged horns made of keratin. These beautiful amber-colored horns grow 6 to 10 inches or 15 to 25 centimeters long, and are unfortunately heavily hunted for this accessory. In summer, the saiga's coat is a rich chestnut color and its belly and legs are pale. In winter, it has a thick, warm, pale coat. Overall, apart from the nose, in terms of body structure and anatomy, the saigas seem to have changed very little since ancient history. Saigas can reach an incredible speed. They are extremely fast runners, capable of reaching speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. This can be really important, especially if you have predators to run from. These unique animals serve as a testament to the beauty of our natural world. Let us know your thoughts about this charming animal in the comments section below. If you want to support our nature research, you can become a member of the channel. Click subscribe and join us. See you in the next one. Nature's Code.